Good morning to all of you. A peculiar public interest litigation was filed before the High Court of Madras. That's why previously also it was discussed that pills should be for the interest of the general public or public at large, not for personal vendetta and not on silly or useless matters. So one such thing has come to the notice of the Honorable CJ of Madras High Court, Mr. Sanjeev Banerjee, and another Justice Senthil Kumar Ramaswamy. So they have come down heavily on the petitioner, Mr. G. Vevekanandan. His name is Vevekanandan, but he doesn't have that wisdom. So on the petitioner Vevekanandan for filing a frivolous writ petition against the Chief Secretary, the Commissioner of Police, the DGP, Mailapur Madras, making all of them as parties. Right. While disposing the writ petition number 12,393 by 2021 on 7/6/2021, so Honorable CJ of Madras High Court and S.K. Ramurthy. So they have treated the public interest litigation as fictitious, frivolous, useless and arduous petition and imposed a cost or fine of rupees 10,000 on him. Right? So now what are the contents of the petition? This is worth discussing. So the petitioner prayed the Honorable High Court of Madras to issue directions, right, to the Chief Secretary, to the Commissioner of Police, to the DGP and other officials, not to disturb the CM, not to circulate files, not to arrange meetings on Sundays, right? So not to seek any orders on Sundays from the Chief Minister. Of course, we are happy to note that after becoming the CM, Shri M.K. Stalin, Muthuvel Karunanidhi Stalin, he has really getting very good name in the political circles also, because he visited the house of the opposition leader, Mr. Palaniswamy. Then he made the opposition party as a member in the COVID-19 team. And yesterday I have seen a video where in a visit to the hospital, he has draped himself in the PPE kit, and then only he visited the hospital. Normally, you don't see a politician wearing the kit. Very good man, very, very sober, and definitely he will become exemplary CM if he continues like this for 3 months, right? And we have to feel happy that he is encouraging our Telugu language in Tamil Nadu also, where the regional feeling is so bitter. But anyway, I need not praise him for so much time. But coming to the point of this discussion, so here his prayer is that the CM should not be disturbed on Sundays. So who wants to disturb him on Sunday? But he is a politician basically, He is a chief minister, lot of responsibility, lot of priorities will be there. Sometimes he finds time only on Sunday where he has to conduct a meeting. How can you stop him? It is ridiculous, literally. So it is entirely a matter between the head of the government and its officers, and the court cannot interfere. Court has no interference because totally it is an administrative issue. What is there the court can do? The court can interpret the law. If any act is passed by the legislation, then they can say whether it is correct or not. That's all. So it is the court has no interference in the particular subject. So this is an utterly ridiculous petition, and court also noticed that. Any reasonable person should have thought many times before disturbing the court. So instead of disturbing the CM, his request is not to disturb the CM on Sundays. Now he has disturbed the court unnecessarily. Therefore, he has imposed a fine of rupees 10,000 to CM's relief fund. Particularly, that CM's relief fund meant for dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. And second point is the petitioner is restrained. Almost injection order was given him. he should not file any public investigation for 1 year from today. So see, what is this petition? I don't understand. So it's not correct. Don't do that. So public investigation should be for the interest of the public in general. Thank you.